Every time someone buys something online, a percentage of that sale goes somewhere. Most people assume it goes entirely to the company selling the product. In millions of transactions every day, it does not. A portion of it goes to a third person, someone who had nothing to do with making the product, packaging it, or shipping it, simply because that person recommended it first. This is how a significant portion of online income works in 2026. And the mechanism behind it is simple enough to understand in the next few minutes, and accessible enough for anyone to start without a product, a company, or a large following. The model works like this. A company wants more customers. Instead of spending all of its marketing budget on ads, it opens a program that allows anyone to promote its product in exchange for a commission on every sale that results from that promotion. The person promoting the product, called an affiliate, gets a unique tracking link. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, the sale is traced back to the affiliate, and a percentage of the revenue is paid out automatically. The company pays only when a sale happens. The affiliate earns without ever touching the product. The buyer pays the same price they would have paid directly. Nobody loses anything. The commission comes out of the marketing budget the company was already going to spend. This arrangement has existed in offline business for decades under the name referral fees or finder's fees. Online, it became one of the most scalable income models available because a single piece of content, a YouTube video, a blog post, a social media recommendation, can reach thousands of people and generate commissions repeatedly, long after the content was created. Commission rates range from 1% to 50% depending on the product type and program. Physical products on Amazon pay between 1% and 10% per sale, low per transaction. But Amazon's conversion rate is unmatched because buyers already have their payment details saved and trust the platform. SaaS and software programs average 20% to 30% recurring commission, meaning if someone signs up for a subscription software through a referral, the commission arrives every single month. That person keeps their subscription, not just once. Finance and fintech programs pay between $50 and $200 per verified sign-up, a flat fee per action rather than a percentage. The recurring commission model is the one that produces genuinely passive income over time. A person who refers 50 customers to a $30 per month software product at a 30% commission earns $450 per month every month for as long as those customers remain subscribers. The work happened once. The income continues indefinitely. The 4 platforms that give complete beginners the fastest path to their first commission in 2026 are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, and Awin. Amazon Associates is the easiest entry point. There is virtually no approval process. An account can be created and a tracking link generated in under 5 minutes. The commission rates are low by industry standards, but Amazon's conversion rate compensates because buyers already trust the platform, have payment details saved, and frequently buy additional items, which also generate a commission beyond the original product promoted. ClickBank specializes in digital products, online courses, ebooks, and software, where commission rates are significantly higher than physical goods. A single sale of a $200 online course at a 40% commission generates $80. The platform requires no special approval and is designed specifically for beginners entering the space. Impact connects affiliates with premium global brands once some content and traffic history has been established. It is better suited as a second or third platform after the basics are understood, but it offers access to brand partnerships that pay substantially higher commissions than entry-level networks. Awin covers a wide range of product categories, including fashion, fitness, technology, and home improvement, making it relevant regardless of the content niche being built. The question most beginners ask first is where to put the links, and the answer depends on which platform for creating content feels most natural. YouTube is the highest converting platform for affiliate marketing because video allows the product to be demonstrated in context, which builds the trust required for someone to click and purchase. Creators who include product reviews earn 67% more from affiliate links than those who focus on general content. A video reviewing or demonstrating a product, with the affiliate link in the description, continues generating commissions for months or years after it is published. A blog or written content platform works on the same principle. Product comparisons, how-to guides, and reviews that rank in search results drive consistent traffic and consistent commissions without any ongoing effort after the content is published. Social media platforms including TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest drive affiliate income primarily through short-form content that directs viewers to a link in the bio or description. The traffic is faster to build but less durable than search-based content. A viral video generates a spike of traffic. A ranked YouTube video generates steady traffic indefinitely. An email list is the highest ROI channel for affiliate marketing, regardless of size. Email lists provide the highest return on investment. Direct communication beats algorithm-dependent platforms. A list of 1,000 engaged subscribers who trust the sender will generate more affiliate commission from a single email than a social media account with 10,000 followers who see a post in a crowded feed. The most common beginner mistake is promoting products that are not genuinely relevant to the audience being built. Engagement with affiliate links drops by 22% when product mentions are not aligned with the video title or thumbnail. The highest performing affiliate content is content that would exist regardless of the commission, a genuine recommendation that happens to pay a fee rather than a piece of content created solely to promote something. FTC disclosure is mandatory in the United States. Affiliate relationships must be disclosed to the audience. Most other countries have equivalent requirements. The disclosure does not reduce conversion rates when done transparently. Audiences understand and accept that creators earn commissions on recommendations, and the trust built through honest disclosure produces more long-term clicks than the short-term gain of hiding the relationship. The realistic income timeline for a beginner starting from zero follows a consistent pattern across platforms. The first commission typically arrives within 2 to 4 weeks with focused effort. Monthly income between $0 and $1,000 is typical for the first 3 to 6 months, while content and audience are being built. Established affiliates with consistent content output in commercially valuable niches, finance, software, health, education, reach 4- and 5-figure monthly income within 1 to 2 years. Consistency matters more than perfection. Regular content builds audience trust over time. The affiliate who publishes one useful piece of content per week for a year outperforms the affiliate who publishes 10 pieces in the first month and stops when the commissions do not arrive immediately. The income is not immediate. The model does not pay before the work is done. But the work once done continues paying, which is the fundamental difference between affiliate income and hourly income. An hour of work that creates a piece of content which generates commissions for 3 years is not the same as an hour of work that generates 1 hour of pay. Drop a comment with the product category or niche being considered for a first affiliate project. The next video covers how to find the highest paying affiliate programs in any niche and the exact content format that converts best for each one.